Welcome students, myself Santoshi teacher. Today we are going to study the first lesson in science subject of standard 6 natural resources air, water and land. Observe the picture alongside and answer the questions. Where do we see the birds? In air. The birds are flying in the sky. Where is the cow grazing? On land. The cow is grazing in the field. Where are the fish seen? In water. Where is the aeroplane? The aeroplane is flying in the sky above the clouds in air. Where can you see the tree? On land. Lithosphere. Where is the sailboat floating? In water. Hydrosphere. See, look at the picture. You can see that some things in the picture are in water, some on land and some in the sky, that is in the air. Thus, all things on the earth are associated with air, water and land. Associated means related with air, water and land. Spheres of the earth. See, first sphere is lithosphere, that is solid earth. Next is hydrosphere, which is all water. Next is biosphere, which is all life. Next is atmosphere, which is all the gases or air. We have learned all this in the previous standard. Air, water and land are called the earth, atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere respectively. Different living things occupy these three spheres of the earth. These living things and a part of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere which they occupy are together called the biosphere. These spheres have formed on the earth naturally. See the proportion of land and water. Around 71% of the earth is covered with water and 29% of the earth is covered with land. Natural resources. Have you ever wondered why Earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports life? Well, it is an ideal distance from the sun and where life form can survive. But these life forms need some resources. That resources are called natural resources. Life exists on the earth because of the natural resources. So, all living things are directly or indirectly depend on natural resources. What is meant by natural resources? See the definition. Air, water and land are the factors important for sustaining means maintaining the living world on the earth and for fulfilling their basic needs. They are called natural resources. So, what we can tell in the simple words? We can define natural resources in a simple words like natural resources are materials from the earth that are used to support life and meet people's needs. Air, water and land are the natural resources. We are getting everything from air, water and land. What are the 5 layers of the atmosphere? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere or thermosphere, exosphere. Do you know, children? The proportion of the mass of gases goes on decreasing. It means there is no air in the exosphere and beyond. In the troposphere, 80% total gases are there, and in stratosphere contains 19% gas. Remaining 1% is in the mesosphere and ionosphere. We can ask question like this. Why air becomes rarer at higher altitude? Because the amount of the gases in the air is the greatest near the surface and decreases as we go higher and higher from the surface. That is why air becomes rarer at higher altitude. Air is a mixture of gases. We breathe Tell me children, which gas we use for respiration? Good. I know many children given right answer. Oxygen. Oxygen gas we use for breathing. Oxygen is present in air, but we can't see. Air is a mixture of various gases. Air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, inert gases, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor, and dust particles. Observe the diagram and give me the answer. Name major constituents of the atmosphere. Yes, nitrogen, that is 78%, followed by oxygen 21%, total 99%, and remaining 1% is argon, other constituents of air, and carbon dioxide. Okay, which one gas proportion is less in the diagram? Carbon dioxide, that is 0.03%. But nowadays it is increasing and oxygen level is decreasing. Let's see some uses of gases in air. Nitrogen. Nitrogen helps in living things to build the necessary proteins. It is useful in the production of ammonia and in airtight packaging of foodstuff. Everyone know that Lay's packets and many foodstuff packets, air is filled. For that purpose, nitrogen is used. Oxygen. Oxygen is necessary for respiration. As I told, we respire oxygen, means we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. And also for combustion, we are using oxygen. Combustion means, suppose take one candle, burn it, and then keep something on that candle, it will off. It means oxygen supply will stop. So for combustion, it is proved that for combustion oxygen is useful. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide used by plants to make their own food. Plants use it is for producing their food. Used in fire extinguisher. Have you seen that red cylinder in the cinema hall? They are using it is as a fire extinguishers. Argon, used in electric bulbs. Helium, used for obtaining low temperature and also for generating lift in airships. Neon, used in decorative lights and for street lightnings. Krypton, used in fluorescent tubes. Xenon, used in flash photography. To sustain our life on earth, the balance between the various gases are very important. Fog, clouds, snow, rain are produced in the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a very important filter. It filters light and heat and allows only necessary amount of heat and light. Observe the pictures. What is the similarity in these pictures? Everywhere pollution, smoke. What means air pollution? Large scale emission of smoke, that is harmful gases, directly mixes with the atmosphere, disturbing the balance between the constituents of air, is called air pollution. Air pollution is increasing day by day. Gases given out from vehicles, industries, and also through incomplete combustion of fuels such as wood and coal. Harmful substances released in air through combustion of fuels. Which one they are? Nitrogen dioxide, it means NO2. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Carbon monoxide, CO. Sulfur dioxide, SO2. And soot. Soot means black color particles of carbon.